We got the fire at supposedly a fire at A+. I think somebody just pulled the alarm, but there's a fire police thing right there. We got a bunch of people outside. You see? Look at that. Number 59, ladder 59 truck. Right here. For the Dallas Fire Police. You see the little thing right there? They already went inside. I just didn't see it. Like they're coming out right now. They're coming out right now. That's the principal over there coming out. But the guy in the white is one of the fire responders. Yeah, no, there's a bunch of people out here that are just out. And really, there's a bee. Yeah.
Fly by now.
Nah.
Puto te ay.
Second truck.
Then we went to the truck.
Oh, second and third. Second and third truck. There's another. There's one right here. And then there's one here. These two trucks right here. You see? Two trucks. I don't know which one they are. But you see they're pulling in right now. They're pulling in right now. See? They pull in up. Yeah, they finna pull to the right here. See? Yeah. You see this? See this truck? There's two right behind each other. This one right here. You see 59 is still here. There's one right there, a hazmat, and number 3, fire rescue.
Ain't go nowhere.
Dallas hazmat, fire truck. I haven't seen that in my life. Number 3 right there.
I'm scared for my safety.
There's these two. Still got number 59 and the little truck over there. See? Apparently, people are saying it's a gas leak because of the hazmat truck. But they coming over here. See this? They might be more trucks. See, look at that. Look at that. Like that.
You're gonna be recording me, William.
I'm not recording you. Huh? Yeah, see, for real. I'm trying to record the fire truck for my dad.
I sent it to my mom and said, we burned it down.
They saying it's a gas leak because of the hazmat. Dallas hazmat. You see that on the truck?
Yeah.
On the truck right there, it says Dallas hazmat. So I think they got the hazmat suits and they're gonna go in because there's a gas leak. Well, I hope nothing. It's not bad. I hope it's not bad. 59. We got the number 3 fire truck in the all the way over there. The Dallas hazmat. Got the little fire truck. And we got no more. We got no more other than this for right now. Alright. We going. This is at A+ Academy.